A common misconception in distance learning is that all of our tools that we use need to be high tech. One of my favorite universal response card models is definitely not. It's a DVD case, one side green and one side red. And all of my students would have these as they're engaging in synchronous learning with me. And as I asked them to pause and reflect on their learning, I would have them hold up their DVD case, red indicating they need a little bit more clarification, or green indicating they're ready to move on. From there, I can quickly scan my screen and determine how many of my students are ready to move on and how many may need a little bit more clarification. Similarly, I can take a screenshot to determine if I need to engage in further support for those students as the lesson progresses. This is a very easy tool to use. I'm sure everyone has a DVD case or a CD case kicking around their house, and it's low tech, it's upcycling, and it provides me with instant feedback from my students in how I should progress with my instruction.